The student thinks is learning a CAD is a job ready, but what industry expects is drawing interpretation and GD&T. I'm going to show you. Once they learn this Learnew program, they can get into the lot of departments, because generally people thinks only automotive is an opportunity, but in mechanical, after the Learnew program, they can go to any industries. As I informed you, I'm going to show you in a couple of slides. Medical equipments from Ireland, one of the company called 𝐼𝐶 Medical Equipment, they have enrolled for Fixture design course. From to auto sport, we have a customer in Coimbatore, �𝐼𝐴 Motor, and they take a normal car and they do put turbo engine or change a shape to go it very well. For oil and gas, we have a Sanmar and we have a Shree Energy Walls. They also underwent our e-learning training program. So there is a huge opportunity for mechanical engineers. That's where mechanical engineers always there is no recession always call. If there is a recession, otherwise they can take it up the other job. So these are all the various industry domains they can join. Again, the biggest challenge what we felt from freshers, if the first job is they need to read and interpret the drawing. Let me just put forward the drawing, which generally whenever we recruit people for our own consulting, we do a lot of CAM programming services, and apart from this we do for our e-learning, we need to create a lot of content. Typically, whenever any engineers goes to the industry, day in, day out, they need to read this type of drawing and make a 3D model. They cannot make a 3D model from the air. They need to read and interpret, and they need to put. With our experience, we are finding very hard. The engineers, they don't know how to read this drawing. Unfortunately, the engineering drawing has been removed from the syllabus, or people are finding, I don't know, still it is there. People are learning CAD, but they forgot the fundamentally how to read and interpret the engineering drawing is a bigger challenge. If I ask any of your student who is going to see this video, if they can make a 3D model out of this, I'm very happy. But the student has to do the acid dipping for themselves. I'm going to show you 3 or 4 drawings. If they were able to read and interpret and make a 3D model, I'm very happy. But unfortunately, people, they don't know how to interpret and do that. That's a reality. Unless otherwise they are not improving the skill set, industries are not willing to take it up. Because we are looking forward, the engineers, they can add value from day one. But that gap created Learnew is filling up. We are going to teach on our GD&T and engineering drawing interpretation, how to read this drawing step by step. And this is of course the result, how the final 3D model look like. But what we are trying to do is we'll make a step-by-step procedure, how even from the blank size they can make individual operation, what are the common pitfalls, how to read drawing, all this we will be explaining, madam. So that's where we run a almost in engineering drawing reading and GD&T course, 20 examples of industry like this we'll be covering. I will just show are very less. But if they want to go with production engineering, then they need to make all this battery, whatever I made, it's a skill set. They need to know GD&T, they need to know new product development, fixture design, they should know CAM programming. It's not one skill, they should have multiple skill. And the same way, 3D modeling is a basic among. When they want to go to quality, supply chain management, because supply chain management is again a very interesting area. They can, as I said, for everything basic, gateway is GD&T and might be a fixture design, new product development process. What we did is, we have now started tying up with many education. Same way like 𝐴𝐴CT also we went and had a tie-up to train more engineers in a bulk, and there is a request came from 𝐴𝐴CT as well. You have to offer it at a very affordable price, and that's the reason now we are giving 90% discount to the students. And one of the key things is, since we are from Tamil Nadu, the head office is Tamil Nadu, we do office in US as well, and the main thing is many of the industry customers, they ask local language. And that's we started with Tamil, and some of them are, the courses are available in Hindi as well, and mostly all our courses are available in Tamil and English. Therefore, the people from rural background, they can learn it in an easy way. Our key motto is, the student, if they undergo our not only one course, they need to undergo a couple of courses, because a skill, if they want to go to one department like quality, they need to get a couple of skill set, and same way R&D, couple of skill set, or if they want to go to production engineering, they need to get couple of skill set. For they can start ideally at third year. Even in the second year they can start attaining each skill set every 6 months, and when they go for interview stage from the day one, they can add value, and there is a good success rate will be there. So let me just put forward, these are all the couple of courses we made it. The student has to think about which department is going to join for whenever, because many times our younger generation, they simply think whether I've taken mechanical is correct or IT is correct. They have a confusion. But we are telling to the kids that please, in second year itself, you make up your mind which department you are going to join. Are you going to join with R&D? It's like everybody flooded. Same way, are you going to join with production? Are you going to join with supply chain management or quality control? Make it clear on second year itself, then make your plan accordingly, then undergo our courses. Not only it's very important today the student have a clear goal, and when they come out of the college in the final year itself, now industries are encouraging internship. Even we also take a lot of internship people, so they can join and they can add value, and when they come for internship they need to add value. What we are looking at the students after undergoing our courses, as I said, they need to undergo at least, we recommend minimum 3 or 4 skill set. It will be very good, and once they do this, then if they go to any core mechanical industry, there is a 95% success interview will be there, because most of our client working professional, they are coming, therefore they can be through in any core mechanical industry interview. And generally people, even when we recruit also, we find a lot of students are having nervousness, and we at least we need to spend them at least on 6 months to 1 year. But after undergoing these courses, they can add value from day one in many departments. Very key is the student have to decide which department they want to go. Accordingly, they need to pick up the skill set and register for the courses, and they can do.